Are you bothered by that little circle that popped up on WhatsApp recently? That's the Meta AI, which has an answer to just about every question you might have. First, the bad news. You can't delete Meta AI completely. But there are a few ways you can hide it and protect your data from it. First of all, if you don't want to share your informations with Facebook, then please don't use Meta AI because it is a little bit different to our WhatsApp chats. All your informations, what you write here with Meta AI, will be shared with Facebook. But in our WhatsApp chats, is it not like this? This is 100% safe that Facebook don't get our information. But if you have already written with the AI, then you can delete the informations. And for that, just type in here in the chat /reset -all. Now, like I said at the beginning of the video, you can't delete Meta AI, but you can hide Meta AI. And for that, you have two options. The first option is to hold your finger on Meta AI, and then you go here on delete to delete the chat. The second option to hide the chat, go on the top right side on Archive, and here we go, the chat is now away. I hope I could help you with this video, and don't forget to give this video a like that we can help more people together. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.